Okay, so Claude builds you a feature. Looks clean, sounds confident, no idea if it actually works. You're the one clicking through pages, pasting screenshots back. Wait, what if Claude could just open Chrome itself? So here's the bit most people missed. Google quietly shipped a model context protocol server, the one on screen, that hands Claude full control of a real Chrome window. The same Chrome you build sites in. The same DevTools panel you've squinted at 1,000 times, exposed as tools the model can actually call. Not screenshots, not summaries. The real browser. Setup is one line. You run the install command on screen. Claude Code adds the server, restarts itself, and now your session has a live wire into Chrome. No account, no key, no extension. Built by the Chrome team, shipped on NPM in its latest version. And no, this isn't a hobby project. Right here. Official Chrome DevTools repo, the Claude Code install section, the exact command spelled out. The README even tells you the first prompt to try, which is just this. Check the performance of any URL. Plain English, one line. Claude opens the browser, navigates, records a real performance trace, reads it back. You did nothing. The browser opened itself, Lighthouse ran, and Claude turned 40 seconds of profiling into a paragraph of explanation. So, okay. What is actually in this thing? 40 tools, 9 categories. Let me walk it. Input automation. Click, type, fill forms, upload files. Same things you do with Playwright. Navigation. Load any URL. Switch tabs. Wait for elements. Dismiss dialogues. Network. Every request, every header, every response body, every timing breakdown. Performance. Record and replay traces, read the call tree, find long tasks. Memory, heap snapshots, leak detection, allocation graphs, screenshots, and screencasts on demand. And the one I did not see coming, run any JavaScript inside the page. So Claude can poke at the live DOM directly. Here's the bit that flipped it for me. You ship a feature. The page feels slow. Old loop. You open DevTools yourself, hit record. Click through the page, stop, squint at the flame graph, find the long task, search the codebase for the function name, fix it, reload, repeat. 20 minutes if you're lucky. New loop, one sentence. Page feels slow, find the bottleneck, and fix it. Claude opens Chrome, records the trace, reads the profile, opens the source file, rewrites the function, reloads the page, records again to verify. End to end. While you watch, one more thing. The same repo ships a plugin version. 2/commands, marketplace add, then plugin install, and Claude gets skills on top of the MCP. Skills are scoped recipes the team wrote for you. Find performance regressions. Audit accessibility. Debug a failing network call. You go from raw tools to workflows. Worth 30 seconds to swap. This is the shift. Claude was a code generator with a blindfold on. Now it can see the thing it just shipped. Open it, click it, measure it, fix it. One install command. Restart your session. Try it on the worst performing page in your app. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.